Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to install mods in Minecraft. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So installing mods in Minecraft can vary depending on whether you are using a Java edition or Bedrock edition, but mods primarily are supported for Java edition. So how you can install it, let's find out. So all you need is Minecraft Java Edition, Minecraft Launcher, Forge or Fabric Mod Loader, and Java installed on your PC. So first of all, you need to install your Minecraft Forge or Fabric. Simply go to files.minecraftforge.net and select the version of Minecraft you want mods for. Now click on the installer button and run the download.jar file to install the Forge. After doing this, you need to simply run Minecraft with Forge once. Once this is done, you can simply download the mods. You can find mods on trusted sites and make sure the mod matches your Forge version and Minecraft version. Now simply install the mods, and once this is done, you can play Minecraft with your selected mods. Simply launch the Minecraft launcher and now choose the Forge profile. After this, you need to click play and your mod should now load in game. By doing this, you can simply install your mods in Minecraft. However, you should always remember to back up your worlds before using mods. Only download mods from trusted sources, as mods are often version specific. Double check your compatibility as well. And some mods also require additional libraries like Cloud config or geckolib. So make sure these are all done, and this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.